9 powerful health benefits of using baking soda every day. Baking soda is one of the most widely used leaveners in baked goods. This simple chemical compound, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is found in crystalline form in nature, but is ground to a fine powder for use in cooking. However, its benefits extend far beyond these common uses, particularly in the realm of health. Because it is antibacterial, mildly abrasive, and an alkaline agent, it offers a wide range of health benefits, including the protection of gums and teeth, as well as the treatment of cancer. In today's video that we have for you, we will discuss the top 9 health benefits of using baking soda daily, each well defined in terms of the contributing elements and their impact on the body. It is imperative that you first consult with your primary care physician or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or discussing any potential health symptoms you may be experiencing. Let's get started. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. Stomach acids play an important role in the digestive process. On the other hand, whenever there is an increase in the amount of acid, it begins to cause us irritation. Baking soda has the ability to effectively neutralize these acids, meaning that it can provide relief from indigestion and heartburn. Because it is a base, sodium bicarbonate has a pH that is relatively high. When it comes into contact with stomach acid, which is highly acidic and has a low pH, a chemical reaction occurs. This reaction forms salt, water, and carbon dioxide. The production of these byproducts contributes to the process of bringing the pH level of the stomach near neutral. In addition to that, the reaction between baking soda and stomach acid produces carbon dioxide. This leads to the formation of gas in the stomach, which can result in belching. Belching releases the gas and often brings some relief from acid-related discomfort. However, the manner in which baking soda is utilized is the most important factor in mitigating the effects of stomach acid. In most cases, it is dissolved in water before being used for the purpose of neutralizing stomach acid. A half teaspoon of baking soda mixed with 1 glass of water is a typical dosage. However, it's important to note that this is a temporary remedy for heartburn and not a long-term solution. For example, one of the participants in a case study was a 50-year-old man who had been self-medicating with baking soda for persistent heartburn. When used in excessive amounts, sodium bicarbonate has the ability to neutralize stomach acid, which can result in elevated levels of bicarbonate in the blood. According to the findings, it is extremely important to monitor your baking soda intake while leveraging this benefit. 2. Oral health. One of the primary benefits of baking soda is its role in oral care. The mouth can become acidic due to the breakdown of food residues by bacteria, leading to enamel erosion and cavities. Being an alkaline substance, it can counteract this acidity, thus protecting the tooth enamel. Moreover, baking soda is mildly abrasive, which makes it effective at removing surface stains on teeth. This abrasive action can help in cleaning and whitening teeth, albeit gently, without causing significant damage to the enamel. It can be used in a few different ways for oral health. It can be made into a paste by mixing it with water and used to brush the teeth. Alternatively, it can be used as a mouth rinse by dissolving a teaspoon in a glass of water. It's important to use it gently to avoid damage to the enamel and gums due to its abrasive nature. Extensive research has been conducted on the efficacy of baking soda dentifrice in oral health, with a particular emphasis on the removal of plaque and the maintenance of gingival health. These studies have been conducted on adults who are at least 18 years old. The results showed that baking soda dentifrice was significantly more effective in reducing plaque in single-use experiments. It also moderately improved gingival bleeding indices. 3. Skin care. You may already be aware that baking soda has a basic pH, and when applied to the skin, it can help maintain the skin's natural pH balance. This balance is crucial for skin health, as it helps to maintain the skin's barrier function and prevent the overgrowth of bacteria or fungi. Furthermore, it functions as a mild exfoliant, which is a benefit. Baking soda, when made use of in small amounts, has the ability to assist in the removal of dead skin cells, thereby encouraging the growth of new cells and providing the skin with a smoother appearance. Baking soda also has anti-inflammatory effects. This can be particularly helpful in reducing the discomfort associated with conditions like acne, sunburn, or insect bites. Moreover, it has mild antibacterial properties. This can be beneficial in reducing the likelihood of skin infections, especially in acne-prone skin. For those with oily skin, this compound can help absorb excess oil, which might reduce acne breakouts and improve overall skin appearance. While baking soda can offer these benefits, using it in high concentrations can irritate the skin, disrupt its natural pH balance, and strip it of essential oils. Specialists have informed us that while sodium bicarbonate is not a cure for eczema, it might be able to lessen the itching that this condition causes. The National Eczema Association advises adding a quarter cup of baking soda to a warm bath, not a hot bath, and soaking for 10 to 15 minutes. You should then moisturize your skin after you have gently dried it with a towel. 4. Antifungal properties. There's a possibility that baking soda can interfere with the structural integrity of fungal cells. This interference can weaken the cells, making them more susceptible to external factors and less capable of sustaining themselves. Moreover, it may have a dehydrating effect on fungal cells. By drawing moisture out of these cells, it can inhibit their growth and potentially lead to their death, making it useful in treating fungal skin infections. But how should you use this compound to get this benefit? Create a paste by mixing baking soda with water and applying it to the affected area. Alternatively, for foot fungus, soaking the feet in its solution can be beneficial. In a study investigating sodium bicarbonate's antifungal properties, 70 fungal strains from skin and nail infections were tested. Concentrations of 10 grams per liter of sodium bicarbonate inhibited 80% of these strains. In addition, the study examined 24 clinical specimens and discovered that 79% of them exhibited complete inhibition of fungal growth when treated with sodium bicarbonate. 5. May relieve urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infection has been a serious complication for many, but a common ingredient, such as baking soda, can offer some help in this regard. As you already know, when ingested, it may help to neutralize pH in the urine. Some believe that this can create a less favorable environment for the bacteria that cause UTIs, potentially slowing their growth. By decreasing the acidity of urine, baking soda could potentially reduce the burning sensation during urination that is commonly experienced during a UTI. In a study, 33 women with urinary symptoms and acidic urine were given sodium bicarbonate orally for 4 weeks, twice a day at 4 grams each time. After treatment, their urine became less acidic, pH increased, and they had fewer urinary problems like frequent urination, nighttime peeing, and urgency. Their symptoms and quality of life scores also improved significantly. This suggests that baking soda can be an effective, easy to use, and low-cost treatment for women with these urinary issues. However, keep in mind that it is a tricky compound. When it is not used appropriately, it has the potential to have a negative impact. For example, a study reviewing 192 cases found that misuse of baking soda mainly as an antacid or to pass urine drug tests, led to severe health issues in over half the cases. These included electrolyte imbalances, metabolic alkalosis, and respiratory depression, with some requiring hospitalization. Before attempting to treat a urinary tract infection on your own, it is essential to seek medical advice first. 6. Detoxification. In order to keep our bodies in good health, the most effective method is to detoxify them on a regular basis. In order to achieve this objective, a bath with baking soda may be beneficial because it may calm the skin and alleviate irritations such as rashes and itching. Sodium bicarbonate has the potential to disrupt the pH balance that exists within the body through the process of alkalizing the blood and urine. Baking soda is thought to be able to assist in the elimination and dissolution of toxins to some degree. However, the pH balance of the body is normally very tightly maintained, and it is difficult to achieve significant changes by altering one's diet. When it comes to achieving a body that is free of toxins, the most common method involves dissolving a small amount of baking soda, for example, half a teaspoon, in water and then drinking the solution. 7. Enhances exercise performance. During high-intensity exercise, the body produces lactic acid, leading to a drop in pH levels in the muscles and blood, which may cause fatigue. Baking soda, as a buffer, may help to decrease this acid, potentially delaying the onset of fatigue and improving exercise performance. By mitigating acidosis, it may increase the time an athlete may perform at high intensities before exhaustion sets in. But how much of it should one consume to enhance their athletic strength? Common dosages range from 300 to 500 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. This is typically taken about 1 to 2 hours before exercise, mixed with water. The primary mechanism is the neutralization of hydrogen ions released during intense anaerobic exercise. It helps to maintain a more stable pH in the muscles and blood, allowing for better muscle contraction and endurance. Over the past few years, this compound has garnered a lot of attention due to the fact that it has been demonstrated to significantly improve performance by as much as 3% in athletes who compete in swimming and cycling. 8. May help improve kidney function. Every single person needs to have a pair of kidneys that are in good working order in order to be able to lead a healthy lifestyle. In the event of a severe illness, however, the kidneys may lose their ability to function properly. Chronic kidney disease often leads to metabolic acidosis, where the blood becomes too acidic, which may exacerbate kidney damage. By reducing the acid, it relieves the workload on the kidneys. This may slow the progression of kidney disease, as the kidneys don't need to work as hard to maintain blood pH levels. In addition to that, chronic kidney disease patients often have reduced bicarbonate levels in their blood. Supplementing with baking soda may help restore these levels, aiding in better overall kidney function. Regular monitoring of blood pH and kidney function is essential when using it for this purpose to avoid complications such as metabolic alkalosis. 2 doses of sodium bicarbonate, approximately 0.8 and 0.5 milliequivalents per kilogram of lean body weight per day, were tested on patients with severe kidney conditions over the course of a study that lasted for a period of 28 weeks. Results showed that the higher dose was well tolerated and more effective in reducing urinary ammonium and raising serum bicarbonate levels, but it also modestly increased urinary albumin excretion. This research is crucial for determining the optimal sodium bicarbonate dose for treatment. 9. Natural deodorant. Baking soda's anti-odor property is probably the most celebrated one. It neutralizes body odor without the use of harsh chemicals found in commercial deodorants. That's why it is often used in homemade deodorant recipes typically mixed with other ingredients like cornstarch, coconut oil, and essential oils to enhance its effectiveness and improve skin tolerance. Earlier in this video, we mentioned that baking soda is alkaline, but body odor is often acidic. When this compound comes into contact with these acids, it neutralizes them, effectively reducing or eliminating the bad smell. This process is the primary reason why it may act as an effective deodorant. Baking soda may also absorb moisture. Since bacteria that cause body smell thrive in moist environments, reducing moisture may help control these odor-causing bacteria. While not as strong as some antibacterial agents, it does have mild antibacterial properties. That's why it may help to inhibit the growth of bacteria on the skin that contribute to body smell. What are the potential dangers of using baking soda? Using baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, may offer many benefits, but it's crucial to be aware of its potential dangers, especially when used improperly or in excessive amounts. In the next segment of this video, we will discuss the potential dangers associated with this compound. Let's start now. 1. Electrolyte imbalance. Excessive use of baking soda may lead to electrolyte imbalances, particularly with sodium, potassium, and chloride levels. This may result in symptoms like headaches, nausea, and swelling in the body. 2. Alkalosis. Overconsumption may lead to alkalosis, a condition where the body's pH level becomes too alkaline. Symptoms of alkalosis include muscle spasms, irritability, and even convulsions in severe cases. 3. Digestive issues. Although baking soda may relieve indigestion, overuse may cause increased acid production, leading to stomach pain, bloating, and gas. 4. Heart problems. The excessive consumption of baking soda may lead to an increase in blood pressure, which poses a risk to individuals who already have heart conditions. This is because it contains a high amount of sodium. Edema, also known as fluid retention, is another potential consequence of this condition. 5. Drug interactions. Baking soda may interact with certain medications, affecting how they are absorbed and metabolized. This includes aspirin, some antibiotics, and medications for heart disease. 6. Respiratory issues. The inhalation of baking soda powder may cause irritation to the respiratory tract, which may result in coughing and shortness of breath, particularly in individuals who already have asthma or other respiratory conditions. 7. Pregnancy and nursing. It is important for women who are pregnant or nursing to exercise caution when using baking soda because the effects of it during pregnancy and lactation have not been thoroughly researched. Baking soda is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From oral health to improving acid reflux and even aiding in cancer therapy, this humble compound proves its versatility and efficacy in various health aspects. While baking soda is a versatile and beneficial compound, it should be used with caution. Appropriate dosages and consideration of individual health conditions are essential to avoid these potential risks. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have existing health concerns. We learned about the most promising benefits of baking soda for our health, but there are always other signs your body signals when it's in danger. From signs of vitamin E deficiency to signs your farts are smelling deadly. Want to find out more? Watch 9 alarming signs your body is missing vitamin A. Or watch 10 alarming reasons why your farts are smelling deadly. You may watch either or both of them. Will you be using baking soda often from now on? Tell us in the comment section.